Hello there and welcome to another one of these 1 minute English Lexical Lab videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out about the online courses we offer. Earlier today, as I was coming home from the gym, I ran into a neighbour of mine who I hadn't seen for quite a while. So we stopped and had a chat to try and catch up, and I mentioned the fact that I hadn't seen him around in the street for quite some time, and he told me that he'd been in Iceland for the last 6 weeks. I expressed a bit of surprise at this, and he said, hey, to be honest, it was a bit of a surprise to us. We decided on the spur of the moment to go there. If you decide or act on the spur of the moment, you do this without really planning things very much or without really thinking about them very much. You just do it on impulse. It's often connected to travel plans. So you might say, yeah, last weekend we just decided on the spur of the moment to go off and explore this part of the city that we'd never been to before. Or maybe you just decide to fly somewhere on the spur of the moment. You do it on a whim. It's not really planned out in any way. And sometimes it might be used when you're describing what a person is like. So you might say, for example, he's quite an impulsive kind of person. He'll often make decisions on the spur of the moment. He doesn't always think things through as well as maybe he could. He just acts on impulse. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use spur of the moment